Hello friends, my name is Mohit Singh. In this video, I will to install Android Nougat in your Samsung Galaxy Note 1. There is Android 5 in my phone already, but this is not good, so I will install the Android Nougat. You can see here. For this, you have to go to recovery mode. For going to recovery mode, you have to hold volume up button, volume up plus home key and power key. So let's start the process. You have to go to recovery mode. Your phone should have a custom recovery installed. For this, you have to install a Files recovery. For Files recovery installation, you can search the YouTube. Now you have to wipe all things, data and factory reset. And now go to clean to install a new ROM and click on yes. I will install a new ROM. Choose the file where you have downloaded. Choose zip from the SD card. Now go to the folder where you have downloaded all the file. Choose Night Owl CM14 ROM. Click on yes. The installing process may take some time, about 4 to 5 minutes to install ROM. So have patience. Now the process is done, so install gap. Now choose open gap and click yes. The installing process may take some time, about 2 to 5 minutes, so I have cutted the video. Now the process have been done. Now reboot the phone. Click on yes, fix root. Is booting up. The first booting up may take too long time, so have patience and keep the phone on safe place. It's going to take too long time. This is the booting animation, which is pretty good. The Night Owl. I love the Night Owl ROM so much. Behind my home there is a railway platform, so sorry for that. The Samsung Galaxy Note 1 GT N7000. This is the first phone of the Note series, which is a very good phone, and I love it so much. It can hold any ROM, so I loved it. I have installed about 10 to 20 ROMs in my Samsung Galaxy Note. I think you don't forget about Geo, which I get from a Samsung Galaxy Note, which is not 4G, but I know the trick which can make multiple barcode. I had buy about 5 to 10 Geo SIMs from a Samsung Galaxy Note 1. Oh, it is taking too much time. Now the boot is end. Now our phone is started, so let's start. This is the setup wizard which we need. I have put my phone away for security purpose and privacy purpose. I think this is wrong password. Oh no. Sorry for that. Now let's start. This is the Android 7 ROM. Now select Reboot, which is the default launcher from the Cyanogen. It is so good. Now let's check the Android version. Go to about phone. Oh no. Go back. This is Android version 7.1. Wow, Android NOUGAT. What is this? This is the animation. I have heard about the side menu, but where is it? Side menu is not going to be done, so don't worry. Now see the animation of status bar, which is good. Please leave a like. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. So again, thanks for watching my video.